Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out in OneXBet. It is really easy, but before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional OneXBet account, and to do so, you simply click on registration. Next, you click on buy email, and here you're going to fill all your personal information. Now at the section of promo code, you enter the promo code UTV, and by using this promo code, you get a bonus of 300%. So if you top up your account with $100, you get $300. Now the first thing you're going to do is first of all to verify your winning. So you're just going to click on the history icon at the bottom right. Now you're going to find out all the accumulators that you have taken on the OneXBet app. If you think you have won, you are going to click on the accumulator on which you have won, and then you are going to find out the status of your accumulator, which can simply mean that he has won, which will indicate you that you have won or you have lost. Once you have verified and that you have found out that your OneXBet balance have been top up with the amount of money corresponding to your winning, all you are going to do now is to click on the menu icon at the bottom right. And here at the menu page, you are simply going to click on your setting icon at the top right. Then you are going to scroll, and then you are going to find out this option of withdrawal from account. You are going to click on withdraw from account. Here you are going to find out the payment method available for you to withdraw money from your account. So you are simply going to select any of them, like this one, the touch payment, like the touch payment, and simply enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your account and receive it directly by any of the means available in your country as a payment method.